Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. If you want to see how I got this quick, easy makeup look, then keep on watching. I'm about to get ready to go whiskey tasting with my husband and one of his friends from work, so I figured why not get ready with you guys on camera. I'm not going to talk too much through this. I'm just going to show you some of the products that I'm using and do my makeup. First things first, I'm going to prep my lips by using the Skin Fix Barrier Plus Lip Repair Balm. It's definitely one of my favorite balms ever. I use it every single day. Next up, I'm going to prime my face with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I do really like this primer. It helps my makeup last all day, especially when it's hot outside, and trust me, today it is hot. For foundation today, I'm going to use the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation in the shade Golden Almond, and I'm gonna mix that in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation in the shade 211. For concealer today, I'm going to use ColourPop No Filter Concealers in Tan 50 and Deep Tan 55. I'm just going to put a little concealer under my eyes, in between my brows, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, my chin, and of course my smile lines. To set my concealer, I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Loose Setting Powder in the shade Banana. That's right, tap at those creases, girl. To wipe away the loose setting powder, I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder in the shade Dark. To set all those powders down, I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set my face. So I'm gonna go do my eyebrows off cameras. No brows to brows. For my eyes today, I'm going to use the ColourPop Main Squeeze palette. With a large, fluffy crease brush, I'm just going to take the shade Like It's Hot and dust that into my crease. I'm going to blend out this color using simple windshield wiper motions. Eventually I'm going to switch to a different brush just to blend it out a little more, and then slowly build up the pigmentation rather than putting it all on at once. To add a little dimension to my crease, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Bronzer in the shade Cocoa Naughty. Using a smaller blending brush, I'm going to take that same bronzer and run it right underneath my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take Just a Kiss from the Desi X Ct Dose of Colors Francation palette and press that into my lid with my finger. To add some warmth back into my skin, it's time to bronze it up with the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. To highlight today, I'm going to use the Desi X Ct Dose of Colors Mita May Highlight. I feel like I have an unhealthy obsession with this highlight. I swear to you, every time I put makeup on, I'm using this highlight in some fashion. I'm going to take that highlight into my inner corners as well as my brow bone. To blend my bronzer and my highlight together, I'm going to use some blush, and for that I'm going to use the Shayla X ColourPop Whistle While You Work. Using my powder brush, I'm just going to make sure that everything is blended together. Since I'm wearing lashes today, I'm going to take my liquid liner and draw a thin line where my lash band is going to go. For lashes today, I'm going to use these ones that I got off Amazon. All of the products used in today's video will be linked in the bottom bar. Keep going with the red theme, I'm going to use the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Frenchie, as well as the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Ariba. Last but not least, I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. So guys, that completes this makeup look. That completes this get ready with me. But I might actually take you guys along with me for this whiskey tasting event. We shall see. But just in case, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. We just finished the whiskey tasting place at Malarkey's. That's what it's called. Malarkey's in Virginia. I guess you could Google it if you're ever in the area. We really recommend it. It's amazing, right, babe?
Yeah.
We'll post all of their information in the bottom bar of this video, just so you guys can check it out. We'll post their YouTube links, so you should probably turn into this. We're heading out to get some food right now because Malarkey's did not really have anything other than, what, cheese and crackers? Which was good, of course, but, you know, I'm a little lit from the whiskey tasting. What about you, babe? It's good?
It was good.
We're heading over to, what, Foster's Grill now? Alright guys, maybe you'll see us after that. If not, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next upload.